La Plagette 32, and this is also my very first video I've ever done of these. So we have got water bungalows and club villas as per the brochures. So what do we have here? We have 32 homes, so all on the beachfront, of which 4 are actually on the beachfront, so they're the water bungalows. And then behind we have the other 28 which are club villas. So you can see a couple of the club villas behind me. These are right at the back on the road here. I will walk once I've just given you the details. So the club villas have 2 configurations. They have a corner, which is the type A, or you have the middle unit, which is a type B, and it's all about, these are 3 stories, so it's ground plus first floor plus roof terrace. They are landscaped, and it's very much the scape is as per the flow of the beachfront. So why people loved these? Well, they were one of the very last configurations of properties to be sold off plan here in Tilal Al Ghaf. So by the time these were on the market, everybody was going crazy here for Tilal Al Ghaf, as probably you are still now watching this video wondering you missed out, but what can you still buy? But these were the last actual launch. It was just, if I remember rightly, at the beginning of last year. So it's very recent. And I'm going to put below the built-up area of these water hut bungalows and club villas. And the beauty is their proximity. They are right here next to the beach. And then actually we're going to take a cheeky sneak here. So behind me there, behind those trees, is actually the entrance to Lanai Island. So that's quite exciting too, but that's a whole different video. And those are the super duper billionaire mansions, of which there are 24 on the island. So thank you for watching. I turn around the camera so as I walk you can actually see how these La Plagette 32 are coming on. And this is really a construction update, because there's not really a lot to see at this moment apart from a lot of noise and construction, which is normal in a new development. So here you have it. Now, you know, ignore the fact they're very grey and just a building site, so it never looks the same once they're up and built. But essentially those are La Plagette, and it's all about the location, because remember, behind here is the lagoon and the beachfront, and there's going to be a beach club. And so this is why people are very attracted to these. And also, quite frankly, these will probably, a lot of them, be on the short-term rental, if I'm not mistaken, and they'll do very well because they're pretty much on the beach here. So thank you so much as always for watching my videos, and I always promise to bring you the videos as soon as I can get to these new communities. But as you can appreciate, if it's a building site, we are, you know, we're not allowed to go on the building site. I'm just walking here alongside. You've got Aura 2 behind, to my left. So these are all twin villas, and then on my right across the road is La Plagette, and this is the other side entrance into Tilal Al Ghaf, which is not opened yet except for construction traffic. But you can see, once things are built and up and all looking beautiful with landscaping, it really is a superior community. I'm absolutely thrilled to be living here, I really am, and I can't wait to help you find your home and we can be neighbours. So thank you for watching. You've got my details below. You've also got access to my Instagram, and you can reach out and we can have a chat. And if you live overseas, because obviously there's nothing to see yet apart from a building site, if you live overseas and you want to buy one of these now before the prices go up any crazier, then, you know, we can do everything without you flying here. So just get in touch. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and Merry Christmas to all of those of you watching. Bye bye.